Hello, GPT-4o. Wow. Well, that was really cool. It's actually what we have been waiting for, and real AI assistant like Siri or Google should be right now. And OpenAI has taken the fast track and left them on the dust. It's an amazing work at OpenAI, and I think there's been a lot of hype. And I like, or the thing that impressed me the most actually is how fast we're going to normalize these things. There's use cases everywhere. And it's still that like there's so much, or it seems like there's so much still that they left under the hood, or cooking and waiting, and it's really exciting to see. We have here some demos. Things that were the most interesting to me is this customer service proof of concept, which is basically automates the whole customer support thing. And another one that was very interesting was AI tutors in school with Salkan and his son, and they're teaching trigonometry. An agent or a tutor that is infinitely patient and kind and really cheap, like maybe like 50 cents per hour or maybe less. I mean, it's really cool what they're doing. And here's some research, and they made it cheaper to run in different languages and actually understand other languages, which is also good to have. One of the things that I really want to see is this desktop app evolution in a way that they can run the computer and just use the computer as with the text or with the voice input, and you're instructing the computer what to do, and the AI will watch the screen, and that's one of the things I'm still waiting for, and I think it's the logical next step. GPT-5 combined with agents, combined with actions inside the computer. That's basically AGI, or more than AGI. It's like the ground that everything could be delegated, outsourced, or automated by AI systems. It's a big step. The audio reduces so much the friction. It's like having your hair or having your Jarvis. It still lacks the action, right? It only can give you instructions on how to do stuff, and it can do action on itself. But wow, I think this is one of these look back moments. It's like another big thing would be OpenAI partnership with Siri. There's a very interesting post on Twitter by Jim Fan where he says, whoever wins Apple first wins big time. And since Apple has been so slow to catch up with AI, they've been like kind of sleeping on this AI thing. Their integration, or their rumor integration, which I think is inevitable with OpenAI and voice assistants, it's going to give it this flywheel scale and improvement that it's going to get it to the next level. The adoption is massive. How many billions of users do they have, or do they get access to if they get Siri? The Siri partnership, the data that they can collect and improve the system. It's wow. I'm really excited for the next months. And this was really cool. I really want to try it out. And I think I'm going to be using it all the time. Every time I have a question, every time I'm stuck or I want to get done something faster, get the app, talk with the computer watches what you do and tells you ideas or what you should do next. And the next step is actually the computer actually doing that. You tell what you want and the computer does it. And I don't think we're very far away from that. There's also one last thing. Here was the state-of-the-art models, GPT-4, Cloud, Gemini 1.1, Llama here. And then I'm also a good GPT chatbot. And then OpenAI released a new thing, which makes me realize that they still have so much more. They're still ahead of the competition. I don't think it will take a lot for open source models again to catch up and everyone here. And they still haven't released GPT-5. I'm very curious about what GPT-2 is actually. If GPT-2 is part of GPT-4o, which looks like it, but I'm not really sure. That's everything for this video. And I can wait to try those models as soon as they're available, which will be in a couple weeks, hopefully.